kuthiwa khulumani phela wezinja futhi abafethu abantu bayisa yezo kusizana ukuthi bezoma eminyango angi-understand ngangicokutho noma mhlawumbe bangenile phakathi nje ngiyavala-ke niyezwa ngizovala-ke bafethu ngizovala impela-ke
babaleka uqhuma isibhamphakathi
ayi ngiyavala nize nithi rest in peace ngizovala ngempela umthanda ume yini mpemu uyazi ukuthi kuqhumani manje
qhuma ngaphakathi laphana qhuma baleka futhi
khona ngithi
bayasaba bayabaleka
hayi bo khona useless namanje bafethu manini ngeke phela futhi ngeke ngize ngilale cause
phakathi kumaphoyisa bayabaleka bayanda sisi bavulela amaphoyisa into ethathayo
sisithula ngifuna naqhuma ibhamu bayavala nkhona manje
into ethathayo sisi lapha ephoyisa nawo ngene egijima laphana
efletini
nesibhamu phela ibhamu
washwele
nje mhlawumbe befesi ngikhona
nabantu abahlala futhi baneyibindi Johannesburg CBD opposite Cartoon Center guys sengembathi throw ngenxa yenu cha ngeke futhi kumele ngilale ngeke ayi bafethu ngiyesaba ukuyeduzane ngeke ngiyesaba ngempela ukuyeduzane
Oh yeah, good right.
Were taken away, and the owner now has converted a very nice student accommodation. There's a security, there's an access control, proper. But now if the building is like this, you've got a management company, you've got securities coming in, there's sort of like the owner is not 100% involved. Then you've got this tax hijacking it, you know. So if you enter in this space as a security, you must always watch your back. You don't have to get in here all the time yourself. watch your back and all of that. Yeah, well, so you need to be very careful when you buy it. You must just understand that who's been operating in that building, because in a building that is old like this, there is people that have been collecting rent. That's when it becomes dangerous, because now you are disrupting the income of that in the individual. You'll buy it from the auction. You take the people, you will take them somewhere in a different location, but that individual is going to be very angry, because now you are taking the bread out of his mouth. Then that's how now it becomes dangerous. But once these buildings have been taken off and then you renovate them properly, school, and it becomes proper. There's no issues. Contestation is when it's like this, and then the owner, for example, the owner here is actually passed on, but it's the wife that is operating here, and they have asked lawyers to really manage these buildings on their behalf. So that's what they did now. What they did now, because some of the tenants, 37 of them, they were not paying rent, they've hired a DJ Wallace security company to come and put order here. So he was killed, because now when you start now to ensure that people, they are paying rent, you establish order. That's when now they say, okay, 37 multiplied by 2,000 is a lot of money. Say, this guy now is going to disrupt our income and all of that. And then also he's got some eviction orders against them, and protection orders, and meaning that the guys can be arrested at any time. So there's that motive that is here as well. So that is what is actually happening. But once you've taken over this building, you've taken everything out, it's cleaned, it becomes very nice and proper.
Just last question, MMC.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Law enforcement be conduct a raid on hijacked building lapha Carlton Center Johannesburg CBD Tole Busuku, and iyathanda kakhulu leyo ndzaba leyo. People are now saying ukuthi sebarida njengoba sekubulewe umuntu kudzala kwatiwa ukuthi lama buildings lalaphana hijackiwe, kuhlala bantu bokuqhamuka, kuhlala labantu lesibabhida ngokuthi bama-foreigner. So people are just saying ukuthi we are not happy, because hlezi sisho ukuthi abahambe, hlezi sisho ukuthi miningi imigilingwane lentekalako laphayana kulama building la hijackiwe lapha eJohannesburg CBD, but you guys are not doing anything about that. Ndifuna kukhombisa action uma sekwendeke into lebi. Banibanyanye kakhulu futhi beva buhlungu engidlule emhlabeni kwakhe DJ Wallace, nangendlela guys ashone ngakhona indlela abulewe kabuhlungu ngakhona. People are just saying nje ukuthi like it's so painful ukubona ukuthi live lesihlala kulo li crime scene, sisaba ngisho nokwendani because hlezi khona abantu labafuna ukuthatha timpilo tethu. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.